Okay, so we have the Life Goes On vinyl and the cassette. I opened the package just a bit, like, you see the little damage right here at the corner. Oh well. Also, the bag was pretty not in a good condition, like packaging too, so it's not that great. So yeah. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, so you can see there's like right there, damaged, right here, right? I think that's all, and then the little right here. You can see from the sunlight. Yeah. Okay, this is the back side of the vinyl. Okay, this is the back side of the vinyl. Ta-da! Okay, this is gonna be, I don't know what's gonna look like. Why? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Scary. Okay, the vinyl. Shiny. Oh, I noticed there's words here too. I'm not sure you can see. You see? There's like some sort of symbol. I'm not sure you can see. Do you see that right there? Right there where my finger is? Right there. You start noticing there's symbols on there. There's another one right there. All this here. It's really crazy. So there was one fan was DM'd me and asked, hey, do you have symbols on the vinyl? And turned out Life Goes On also have it too. So the Dynamite, they have the symbols, like very exact code, like symbol on here on the rim. So this is this side of Life Goes On vinyl. Ta-da! It's very shiny. I don't want to damage it, so whoops. Leave it like that. And then let's look at the cassette. Let's see how I'm gonna open this. I think last time I had struggles opening the cassette too. Oh, already messed up the packaging. I can see that I messed up. Why is this so hard to even remove? Okay, whatever. I gave up. I gave up. I gave up. I gave up. I gave up on the packaging. Oh well. I gave up. That's all for me. Okay. So, Life Goes On cassette. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's look inside. Ta-da. Let's look on the other way. Wait. Oh. Whoa! Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. Let's look on this. Beautiful. I love the colors. Everything. Very nice. So, did you collect the Dynamite version? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy this quick unboxing, and let me know if you ordered Life Goes On vinyl or cassette. Let me know in the comments. Did you already receive them? Or did you not order them? Anything like that. Just let me know. And tell me if you still like get emotional when you listen to Life Goes On. I feel like I get emotional about it every time I listen to it. It's insane. It just always heals me again every time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you next time.